The Keychron K4 V2 keyboard boasts a compact design with a 96% layout and 100 keys, making it ideal for productivity and a superior tactile typing experience. It offers seamless connectivity with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, supported by a reliable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, and also features a wired mode for versatile usage. Designed with a unique Mac layout, this keyboard includes all essential Mac function keys while remaining compatible with Windows, offering extra keycaps for both operating systems. The K4's impressive 4,000 milliampere-hour battery can last up to 240 hours with the backlight off, which is one of the largest capacities in mechanical keyboards. Equipped with Gateron G Pro mechanical brown switches, it provides exceptional tactile feedback and durability, with a lifespan of up to 50 million keystrokes. The keyboard features an enchanting white LED backlight with modern keycap legends, available in static or flashing modes, to match your mood and enhance your typing experience.